Good morning folks, Ken Ring here of predictweather.com, and it's the 11th of March. If you look up and see the moon, you'll notice that it's in the sky most of the day at the moment. It sets about 3:30. It's in the sign of Capricorn, and it's only a very thin sliver, so you might find it hard to see. But we're working our way towards the new moon when it will be in the sky all day. And when the moon is in the sky, it's like a protection to us, which is why the new moon time is always pleasant, settled time. Whatever's around, the intense sunshine of a summer or the intense cold of a winter, is kept away until overnight. So it mostly snows or rains at night if there's rain about. So during the day, when the moon's in the sky, the rule really is that if the moon is above the horizon, it's less likely to rain. And if you're watching the moon, if you've been watching it over the last couple of days, you will have noticed that when it was right in the south, where I am, the highest point was at a certain point of the sky. Now the very next day, equivalent point of the moon, it was a little bit lower. And that's what it's doing each day. It's moving down in the sky, and that's all because of the tilt of the earth, and because the moon moves like this. As it comes around, it moves to the northern hemisphere. See, it's over in the north now, and it's just started to do that. So it was in the south, and now it's moving, it's trekking north, and to us in the southern hemisphere it appears to be going down. We call that a descending moon. The gardeners like the descending moon because it's a good time for pruning, because the energies are going downwards. So tomorrow we're going to be talking about the clouds, and I invite you to watch that one because it should be fairly interesting. I'm going to be showing you how you can look up at the clouds and predict what the weather's going to be just from the type of clouds that there are. It's really simple. There's basically only two types of clouds to watch out for. So Ken Ring, predictweather.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.